Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro, Dollar, Euro, USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So this is a Forex chart of Euro USD in front of us, and as we can see that Euro USD is right now not showing a proper direction to us. So overall we do not have a clear-cut direction on the chart of Euro Dollar. So positional traders and swing traders try to stay away. This is not the right time to place any trade. Flexibility is the most important thing for a trader. Maybe you made good money last week, maybe you made good money last month, but this is not the right week. Okay, so as a result, you cannot expect the same things each and every day. We must accept that, and we need to be flexible according to the market. This market is not very ideal for positional trade and swing trade, so please be careful. And day traders, yes, there are certain levels, but you also must be very careful. First of all, I would like to take you to the economic calendar, and you can see the retail sales coming up, and it's a high impact news. So yes, during the retail sales there will be some volatility on the chart of dollar, so please be careful, especially beginners, new traders and traders with low capital. Try to avoid the market. Watch the market, observe the market, because observation will lead to experience. But yes, do not try to place any order because this is not the right time for you. Okay, an experienced trader, your personal call. You can do whatever you want. Okay, and if you look at the Forex sentiment meter, the Forex sentiment meter is almost the same as yesterday. 67% are on the sell side and 32% are on the long side. See, so 67% retail traders are still holding to their sell position and still hoping that market would go down. But usually we see market moving against the sentiment meter. Okay, so before I proceed with a chart of Euro Dollar, I would like to show you the chart of DXY. See, this is a chart of DXY. Yesterday there was a fall on DXY. DXY made a low of 105.30. This was the low made by DXY, but it recovered again. It tried to go up, but the price could not sustain, and there was severe price rejection from above as well. So right now you can see that no clear direction on the chart of DXY as well for intraday or day traders. So overall the big levels are still very much intact. In case DXY tries to recover during the day, the resistance will be 107.70, 108 level, and in case DXY shows fall, then we can expect 105 to act as the next support for DXY. If you're looking for detailed analysis, then please watch the video that I uploaded on Saturday, because I do not want to repeat the same stuff and bore you again. Now let's look at a chart of Euro Dollar, Euro USD. So right now Euro USD is standing at 1.0352. This is the current market price here. So as you can see that I have marked two levels on the chart. First of all, the level at the top, 1.0460, 1.0480. So during the day, okay, listen to me carefully, during the day, especially during the Asian session and European session, if market goes up, then we can expect some reversal. Okay, if the volatility is low, you can expect some reversal. If market reverses, you can go for a sell position, but keep in mind that right now the trend of the market is very much bullish. So taking a sell position in an uptrend market can be very dangerous. If you want to skip it, you can skip it. Personally, I have not taken any position on gold and Euro USD for the last couple of days. Okay, so you can also do the same thing, because you don't need to trade often, you need to trade well. But in case market reverses, okay, if market goes up and reverses, if you see proper price rejection from above, you can expect a profit of 20, 25, 30 pips, and you can go for it. But keep in mind to follow proper risk management, because the present trend of the market is towards the upside. Okay, but right now as you can see, the market is standing here, so the possibility of market going down is higher. So if market comes down, then market will test 1.0270, 1.0280, and if the volatility is low, yes, volatility will play a big role today as well, especially before the news. If you see market coming down to this level, observe the market first. Observe the market first. If you see market bouncing, you can go for a buy. You can go for a buy if market bounces from here. Again, before the news only, okay, if you see that market is breaking the support, if you see market breaking the support, do not take any sell position. See, here I am saying that you can go for a sell position, a small sell position if market shows good price reversal. But here, okay, I will not recommend any sell position if market breaks also, because you can see that there are some market may come down to hunt down the stop losses, hunt down the liquidity. Okay, so what is the possibility here is that, okay, before the news, especially if market breaks also this support, market will try to reverse again. Okay, market will try to reverse from 1.0230 around this level. Market will try to take support and bounce. So market will at first hunt down the stop losses. Okay, after hunting down the stop losses, after getting the better price, it will try to take up the market again. It may be one scenario. Okay, so you please be very careful. And if market reverses from 1.0230, 1.0235 level, if you see this kind of a scenario situation during the European session before the news, you can go for a buy position as well. But during the news, okay, keep in mind fundamental factors always dominate the market. Okay, they overrule the technicals. So no levels may work during the news, after the news. So do not expect that yes, there is a support, we should go for a buy. No, market doesn't work like that. Okay, so during the news, okay, simply follow the trend. Okay, if you really want to trade during the news, simply follow the trend. That should be the only strategy. Okay, so whatever I have discussed so far, okay, this is before the news only. After the news, nobody knows in which direction the market will move. At least I don't know. So lastly, just keep in mind, this is the range for Euro USD right now. Okay, in case market shows extreme volatility also, please be careful. That's it. Okay, and in case market comes down, if market does not bounce from this level here, do not take any sell position. Market may hunt down stop loss and go up again. Okay, because overall you can see the market is an uptrend and we cannot deny that. The number of buyers are much higher in comparison to the number of sellers. So this is it. Hopefully you've understood. Please do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Protect your capital. Keep in mind, capital protection should be your first priority always. Okay, bye-bye. Take care. See ya tomorrow. All the best.